Hey guys, I have kind of a fun video for you today that's a little different than usual. We are going to be spending time in Canva. If you don't know what Canva is, you're gonna love it. And then we're gonna create a sales packet for your bookkeeping business. And you're even gonna get this as like kind of a free gift because I created it for you and you can customize it in Canva. So check the description box for that link. So the second half of this video is gonna be in Canva, but first I just wanted to talk a little bit about what is a sales packet and what is the purpose of it. And I will say I got this idea from watching Abby Ashley. Her YouTube channel is The Virtual Savvy. I'm gonna leave her version of this sales packet linked down below. And what she teaches on her channel is how to be a virtual assistant. And there's a lot of overlap between a bookkeeper and a virtual assistant. In my opinion, a bookkeeper is kind of like a specialized type of VA, of virtual assistant. So definitely subscribe to her channel if that interests you at all, because I think there is a lot of overlap. And I did just come out with a video all about the similarities and differences between a VA and a bookkeeper. So check that out if you're kind of wanting to learn more about that. She also has a paid class that helps VAs get started, so I am going to link that for you in the description box also. So what exactly is a sales packet? Basically, it's something you send to your client as a marketing thing. So it looks professional, it looks kind of fancy, and it gives them pertinent information about your business. So it's done in the branding of your business. It'll have like a little bit about you, maybe a picture of you, something about your business. I think it's going to be really helpful to have pricing in there. And even if you do customized pricing for each client, you can give them an idea of what your pricing looks like. People like to know like a general ballpark. Testimonials can also be included, as well as next steps. I think that is really important also, because if this person hires you as a bookkeeper, they're going to want to know what the first week looks like working together, what the first month looks like working together, what information are you going to have to give them. So this sales packet can kind of be used in tandem with your website, because some of the stuff will be on your website most likely, but I think a sales packet is even a little bit more targeted with more helpful information for a new client. So some benefits to this is it boosts your credibility and authority. It makes you look really professional. It describes your bookkeeping services. And then, like I said, it gives someone next steps on what working with you looks like and how to contact you, the ballpark of what they're going to expect to pay, etc. So it's really targeted information. And then the main purpose of this packet is to make it really easy for the client to say yes to hiring you, or maybe to say yes to an initial meeting with you. This is part of them getting to know you, your process, your brand, how you work, how it feels working with you. Hopefully super fun, super organized. One other thing I would note is keep it pretty simple and concise with the pertinent information. You don't need to go into your life story, but remember this is a sales packet. So the purpose is to sell yourself, right? All right, so let's get into Canva. Let's look at this example of a sales packet and how you can customize it for your business. And if you don't know me, I am Morgan. My website is FinePoints.biz. I would love it if you subscribe to this channel if you're interested in more bookkeeper videos, and a thumbs up really does help me out. All right, here we are in Canva, and this is my bookkeeping sales packet. I called it a portfolio for clients because I thought that sounded a little bit better. And I think we're going to give you a PDF of this, and it will also link to a Canva template. So if you create a Canva account, you can go in and edit all these. So, you could like edit all these things, edit all the pictures. And the other thing I wanted to tell you is that if you go to the design and then type in portfolio, there's tons of different portfolio types. So if you don't like my exact layout, then you can definitely select a different design. But I think the most helpful thing for you at this point is going to be the content that is in here. All right, so let's go deeper into the content here. This is a PDF of the same thing. So the first page is just like an introduction of me. It tells a little bit about my background, has a picture of me. Then we go into my services. So what are kind of like the steps to the bookkeeping process of getting started, cleaning up your books if needed, then ongoing support. And some of this is taken off my website, which is fine. This is, like I said, just a little bit more targeted for new clients. And you might not want to do all 7 of these pages. Like maybe you just do like a 3-pager. For this example, I just kind of wanted to show you all the options and then you can pick and choose. Same with client reviews. You may or may not decide to include these, but sometimes this does build a bit more credibility for you. All right, and like I mentioned, pricing is important to a lot of people. The hard thing about it is it does vary a lot per client, but you can kind of see that I provided like an outline of a few things to expect, and then maybe I should even put like, goes up to $1,000 per month or something so that they know kind of like the high end. And Canva does have a lot of these stock images you can use. You can also gather them from other places. All right, and then we go to work with me. So this should spell out like a kind of a step-by-step process of how they get to work with you. A lot of people don't even understand kind of like the process. So I just put step 1, step 2, step 3. So step 1 is book a call with me, and you can make this a link right here so that they can link to your website to book a call with you. And then in step 2, it talks about how we create a customized package and then a timeline depending on what their needs are and what they, how much work it is to get their books to where it needs to be. And then on the last page of this, I put like a bunch of questions that I go over usually when I meet with someone. So I thought it might be helpful for them to have these up front so they can kind of think through it. Like, for example, do they organize their receipts in a certain way? Like, can they describe that? I need to know about their employees. And it's also really helpful for them to give me as much information they can about how their money is moving from place to place. So what bank accounts do they have? Do they have a checking, a savings? Are they doing transfers to their personal account? And are they using credit cards? Are they using PayPal? Any way that money is moving around, that helps me get a picture of their books. All right, so let's just zoom out a little bit. You can see kind of the overall, it kind of keeps with my branding, like the green color. You can change all that to fit with your bookkeeping business. So overall, we want to have the client get to know you, get to know your business and your process, and also have some of their questions answered so that they just this walks them through the initial sales process as they're getting to know you. So definitely check in the description box and I will have this linked for you guys. Thank you guys for watching all the way till the end. A thumbs up again does help me out, and leave me a comment about what you think of the sales packet and if there's anything you would change. All right, I will talk to you again next week. Take care.